Look, guys.
Hello,
today
guys.
We're gonna open Celebrations Pokemon cards.
It's a
Elite,
Pokemon.
Elite Trainer Ball.
It's a center.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bought it on
Walmart?
no, it's on a marketplace on Facebook. Let's see what's inside.
Beep, beep. Beep, bop, boop. Beep.
How to open it? Oh, like this. Let's see what's inside. Oh,
How many? Is that the one that you sold me that has lots?
I don't know. Maybe. What's this?
It's a guide.
It's a guy.
It's a game rules card.
Oh, there.
That's
What's
so
there?
many.
Daddy,
Yes.
Wait,
look, it's so cute.
Wow.
we got a silver. That's
Oh, we got a sleeve.
nice.
Wow. So we can put
Yes, we got sleeves. Let me put it back.
let's see
What is
what's that. What
this?
kind of sleeve is this?
Oh, that's
Oh,
silver sleeve.
that's cool.
Yay.
So it has come with sleeves. What's next? What's
It's
this?
gonna be put it here. Here,
Ah,
Daddy.
okay. What do you call this?
I think that's a Pokemon stuff.
Yes, but what is this?
Pokemon card case. I think.
A deck. A deck card. I think.
Ooh, deck. I think decks are for like putting cards in and getting the cards out for battles.
Yes. Yes. So let's
Put
put
that
this
later.
aside. Yes,
Now
okay,
let's
then.
go. Ooh,
What's that? What's this?
cards.
It's a
Let's
card.
do it now.
It's what's this? Oh, it's a chunk of energy cards.
Let's do it later. So here, other stuff goes here. Wait, where
What's
did you put the
this?
sleeves?
There. Here.
Oh,
What's this? It's what's this? What's this?
I don't know.
It's
Let me go.
wala ako nakita.
Let me give me one. What is that?
It's I think a divider. So what's next?
I think it's card.
Oh, it's a
Dice.
dice. It's made of steel. It's a heavy one.
And it feels cool.
Yes, and what do you call this?
Ooh, coins. Different kinds of strange.
Oh, you got a
Silver flip.
yes. It's a
Silver.
yes, it's
That's so many
clear.
packs.
Yes.
What I just got. There. That's cool.
So
Bop, boop. Beep, bop, boop.
so we have a
So many. We might the
no more.
Let's try to get the treasure.
No more.
Oh no.
Yeah, let's try to.
We're finding Charizard.
I think we have a promo card here. So we got the
Trailing Rain. I need to get.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, did you try the
Four.
V-Mooks?
5,
Woo!
6.
Whoa!
What's that?
Greninja!
Oh,
Looks like the old one.
Is it? We just put it to the side. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Valerie, you forgot something. Look, a sticker.
And then we have a
LOL
Battle
stickers. Here.
what's this? Vivid voltage, chilling rain,
I need to get it out.
darkness, blaze,
There could be a
and
mega.
vivid
I
voltage.
didn't never have a mega.
Okay. Which one we gonna open first?
I opening the Charizard.
This one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's mine. No, that's mine.
Okay, I'll just
Yeah.
open it and then
Can you move? I kind of there. Okay. Take away that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Energy. Familiar Bell. Rose Tower. Sanity. Mareep. Papyrus. Gotira. Skarmory. I already have that one here.
What's that?
Boo and Phenox.
That's a what do you call that?
I think it's a.
Oh, what's this?
Rillaboom.
What?
Rillaboom.
It's a what?
So sign. It's a Rillaboom.
Rillaboom. Wow. So I think we need to put it on the sleeve. Right?
Yeah, right.
Let's see how beautiful. Let's see how
So-
cool the sleeves are. Wow.
That is so.
So good. You're lucky.
Yay. We're gonna put that.
Yes, and this one too. You want to put it on the sleeve or just put it on the
I want
side?
it on the sleeve.
Or just put it on the side. This one we might put it on the sleeve also. This one.
No, it goes here. All shiny ones go here. Then you get your hand. Excuse me.
Aris have a cough.
Greninjas has a long tongue. The giant tongue. Like this.
Nice,
It's
nice
dark.
sleeves.
What?
So it's my turn.
You want the chili room? So many train on. I thought no. It says no on the upside down.
What?
Ding,
Yeah.
ding, ding,
Let's make the
ding,
card
dong,
trick.
ding. That's only 3.
3?
Yeah.
So,
Steel.
do you have this one?
Yes.
Do you have that one already?
Yeah.
This one. Some duplicate? What's this? A cracker roll. This one you have already.
It's, no.
This one you have?
Don't say that. Say the name.
Aaron.
I have that.
What's this?
Snort. Have it.
Oh,
Bioenergy.
this one is a hit. Oh, what's this?
That's so cool. I like
Yes.
him.
We put it
He's
on the
an
sleeve.
octopus. Wait.
I get that. So nice.
About the other one.
Yes.
Can you
What are you doing?
I need one for this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'll go get the.
Okay.
Where's the charger here?
I don't know. That's leave. That's leave.
We open the chili rain
I thought you already did.
for you. Oh, so hard.
Well, it's my turn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Take over.
Maybe I'll do it.
But you already did.
No.
Oh, that?
Mm.
Oh, right. Energy. Lucky energy. The galleon chest plate. Why is it getting dark?
I think it's all low button.
Flappy, Scoblet, Score Bunny, Diglett, Golett, Deerling, Kirilla, and Ghouls. It's a shiny.
What's that?
So it's
It's a
Killa. Let's go get a sleep.
wait. Where's my? What's the? What did you get there?
I gotta get Killa.
No, this one. Oh, Zangurus. You don't wanna sleep this one?
It has to be shiny to sleep.
Okay. Now it's my turn.
I'm happy that I got sleep. Oh, you got the Pikachu one.
What's this? Yeah, it's a blue voltage.
That's that Pikachu. Pikachu's friend. Go.
It's a energy. Heroes medal. Stunfisk. Sublight. You don't have this one. Electric. C-Dot. Eevee. You have this already. Rio. You don't have this.
Royal.
It's a Chuto. It's a Picky Pick. And yes. Oh, excavator.
Excavator. Let's get a sleeve. That one.
You don't have to put sleeves with that one.
I like it.
It's your turn. Vivid voltage.
Oh, I know him. It's like from that sword there, like the jungle sword thing in Pokemon.
Card trick.
Energy. Tropic Sight. Mighty Una. Tropic Santa Dia. Trenchul. Weedle. Jordix. Mudbray. Vampy and Thundurus.
What?
Thundurus.
It's a wow.
Sleeve.
It's a hollow. Yeah.
There, I got one. I want to do this one. Yeah, Thundurus. I could eat you. Hope we get the Charizard. Oh, I hope we get Charizard.
Yeah.
Charizard. Excuse me. This is fucking good. Wait, your turn?
Yes.
Alright.
What's this? It's a bottle.
Distributions. Nom.
This is for
That's my
three.
dad. Here.
For 3 cards? 4. Okay.
Boo boo.
Never mind. I don't know.
It's 4.
Energy. What's this?
POB.
POB.
No, I already have it.
Okay. This one you don't
Carbide.
have.
I do.
You don't have this one?
Can you stop singing and say the name?
This one you have?
Yeah.
This one duplicate? No.
Okay. Okay, put it here.
That one.
That's it. Just say the name.
What's this? Frillish. What's this?
Fearless.
This one you don't have.
I do have.
Houndour.
I don't have.
This one you
Ooh, Victoria Bell. How'd you last again before? We did this before, but it was not.
have. Okay. So
Sleeve, it's my turn. Open it. Yay. Excuse me. That's what I mean.
It's hard to open.
Why is it always hard for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're always there.
Do.
No trick.
Why?
I think there's no trick.
Trick?
Card trick there. Yes.
Cosmoem, Persiam, Pelica, Professor Research. That's it.
Professor Research, Mr. PC. It's a shiny one. It's a hollow. Yeah, it's a hollow. Okay.
These all shiny.
All celebrations are all shinies.
I already have
That's my turn.
Why is there a little bit? Why is there a little bit only? I just only killed 4.
Yes, only 4. Celebrations have only 4.
How do you know?
Yes, we opened already. It's Cosmo,
Mug.
Palkia.
Oh wow! Oh my god!
It's who's this? Wow. And
So
wow, it's Sleepless.
yo, that's so cool.
Yeah.
I have no idea if I have it or not.
Which one? That one?
I think I have it.
Yes, you have. Wow, this one is nice.
So
So cool.
that's all.
Oh, yeah. So cool.
It's a hollow.
Huh?
It's a non-hollow, I think. It's celebration. That is so exciting. Wait, is that my turn?
Yes.
Externus. Ready have. Okay, go ahead. Done and Pikachu.
Pikachu.
I already have all of these.
Just put it on the side.
It's for free.
Yes. You have lots of that one.
I only have one. And I got a duplicate in my mouth. I'm gonna give it to Valerie.
Yes, give it to Valerie. And this one.
Lugia.
Oh,
That's
who's it?
Sojino. Hey. We already have
Lugia.
Gurudon.
Gurdon.
And
Oh! What's that?
Garchomp.
Garchomp.
that is.
That's so
It's a C. What does that
cool.
mean? It's so much.
Yeah, it's got texture. Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
It's your turn.
Okay, I have no idea.
Here.
It's my turn? Yeah, right. Zekrom. Cosmoem. Another birthday's Pikachu
Yeah.
and
Wow!
yeah.
It's a double.
I already have that.
Yes.
Bye bye. What? I already have that.
It's a nice one.
But I already have one.
Yes, but it's nice.
It's nicer?
Yes.
Okay, we will switch it. Oh, can I reach it?
It's a nice one. It's my turn. How many more left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9
Look,
more.
just put it here.
Why?
Because I already have it.
You just put it there. Together. The hits. Put it there.
But why? But I
Even-
already have it.
Groudon. Cernias. Oh, it's a
Another
professor.
one. Full art. It's giveaway.
Give it there. You just leave it.
Even though we have it.
Yes. Give that to Valerie.
That we don't like to boy.
Okay, it's your turn.
Let's fix them.
I have to get that Charizard, no? And Bolt.
Oh! Because this was go away, bad boy. Yeah. Why is this? Yetel, Igor, Overhaul, and Lunana.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Nothing?
Yeah, nothing.
This one.
It's Lunana.
Give it to Valerie. Yeah. Give.
Making this one.
Hope we get a Blastoise.
Or Charizard.
Charizard.
Or Charizard Rainbow.
Yes. So,
We didn't take away the
never mind. It's Kyogre.
Kygor.
Oh, what's this?
I'm gonna give it to my sister because I
People.
already have it. It's getting dark again. Battery.
Oh, you got a 2 hit.
It's 5%. 5%.
You got a 2 hit.
Oh no.
Get 2 hit. You have already like this?
Yes.
No, you don't have.
I do.
Okay, we just leave it.
Get to. Don't forget the other one. 2%.
Another. Professor search is easy to pull.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
It's 2%. That's good. Count. Okay. Lugia. Yetel. Blastoise!
I see.
It's so cute.
You got it.
Oh.
Let's see.
Yeah!
It's so cool.
I got it.
Blastoise.
2%. Bro. You gotta go at the front to make.
Okay.
Here,
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
There's no Charizard yet, but we got a Blastoise and
Or
Gyarados.
Mew.
I need a Mewtwo. If I get a Mewtwo, I'm so excited.
Here.
Cosmog, Externus, Mega, and Professor's Research.
Now, Professor Research again.
Shiny.
Put it there.
No, it's shiny.
Yes, just put it there.
About this one to sleep.
Yeah, just put it there.
Okay. Okay, Zekrom,
Zekrom.
Cosmog,
Cosmog.
Externus.
Externus. Oh, what's this?
Oh, a flying
Pikachu.
Pikachu. I already have this.
No, there's 2 more. How can we get the
Charizard.
Charizard?
What if we don't?
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
Maybe next
Unless
time.
we got the Blastoise and Gyarados.
Yes. Here.
Amazing. Palika, Yetel, Cosmog, and Mew.
Oh,
Like it's the second.
it's the last one.
Need the Charizard. I need the Charizard. Oh no! I didn't get the Charizard.
Yes, Lugia,
Yeah.
Zekrom,
Zekrom.
Beltal,
Yveltal, I think. No, no.
yeah. Oh, that's it?
What's inside there?
Just 3? Just 3 only?
That's
That's a deck.
cute. What is this?
Nothing.
What did you find? Oh, we didn't do that.
It's just a deck card. Energy ball. Energy. Oh, we didn't get the Charizard.
Yeah, but good luck. We got a Blastoise.
Yeah. This is a lot. See you guys.
See you guys in the next video. Pokemon Cards channel. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I said it.